7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Okay.
How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here with another Tyler Teaches. It is the finale of our treble reel series. This is the fourth step of our installment, the one that comes after the first, second, and third. So if you haven't watched those videos yet, if you haven't learned the first 3 steps, I would highly recommend to go back to those videos and check them out. Each video teaches a certain principle or technique that is then used for the next step and the next step after that. We kind of build it as we go. So if you're just diving into this step, it may go right over your head. And also, this is to teach a full set basically of 4 steps that you can do in a row. You can chain them all together to do a nice little performance piece that you can use at your Zoom virtual St. Patrick's Day show, or use them however you'd like. They all connect and they work really well together. So if you haven't watched those videos, hop on over to those separate videos and learn those before heading over here. So we're going to go through that 4th step today, and then the next video is when we'll be putting it all together. So this video, we're just going to focus on learning that last step. It's got a bit of a big finale kick, if you will, and yeah, we're gonna focus all our time on that this time, and then we'll put them all together in the next video. Again, if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed this type of content, like learning some steps, learning some Irish dancing, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm focused on making more and more content now moving forward. Excited to do so. Would love to have you on board and help this channel grow. So every subscription, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Also, if you hit the bell, that will notify you exactly when the next lesson, video, trick, you name it, will be coming out. So that's also very helpful. If you hit like on this video, it helps share this video to more people. And then obviously hitting the share button also does that. If there's anybody that you know that would love trying out Irish dancing, these videos, this introductory treble reel is geared towards teaching those fundamental basic skills. It's a great place to start. So if you know anybody that would love to give Irish dancing a try, share this video over to them. Maybe they'll enjoy it. If you'd like to support the channel further, I have 2 other options. You can head over to Teespring, where I'm selling shirts, Tyler Schwartz Dance shirts and sweatshirts like the one I'm wearing, super comfy. All the proceeds go straight back into the channel. And then also I've started a Patreon, so you can become a patron of the channel and become a producer, as I call it. Yeah, really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of the support. Also, speaking of support, the music we're listening to right now is provided by FEIS app. Whether you're looking for Irish dance music to practice your dancing to, or you just want to vibe to some Irish dance music, FEIS app has you covered with hundreds of different Irish dance tracks from various artists. You've got your reels, jigs, hornpipes, you've got all of it. So if you're interested in that, I'll provide a link down below and you can check out FEIS app. Without further ado, let's get into the step.
All right. So we've always done trebles on their own, kind of on their own thing, either doing treble hop back or treble in front. They've always been by themselves. We've never done double trebles. And this step introduces the old double treble. So we start with that right away. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 2 trebles switching. So we're gonna go bang, step treble, switch treble. Okay. 2, 3, and up treble and treble. 2, 3, and 2, 3, and. Okay, so we're trebling out, doing 2 trebles in a row. And then we're gonna put our weight onto our right or our left leg and pick up our leg in back. Up. So when I say up, I'm referring to that back leg going up. So the combination altogether will look like this. 2, 3, and. treble, hop, treble, up. 2, 3, and. 2, 3, and. Again, it's the same type of trebles, brushing out and brushing back. Switch, brush, back, up. Okay, and we're hopping off our back foot onto our front foot to finish the rhythm. We're going to repeat that on the left foot. So left foot being in front, we do the same thing. Hop, treble, switch, treble, up. So we're getting rid of the bang. We're going straight into it, okay? So we're starting with the bang, but then that's it for the bang. Ready? 2, 3, and. Up. All right. 2, 3, and. Into 3 treble hop backs. All right. Treble, hop back, treble, hop back, treble, hop back. Good, good, good. Treble, hop back, treble, hop back, treble, hop back. Okay, so we've done that before. We've done 3 treble hop backs before in, I think, a bunch of the previous steps. Yeah, so let's see. Let's tack that on to our current opener. So ready? 2, 3, and. Okay. So almost like a bang, those ups are pauses. Our pauses in the rhythm. We're not gonna go. We're not going right into the rhythm. We're gonna pause there for a minute. Hop, treble, and treble. Pause and treble. Pause. Okay. The same thing applies with the knees. Again, we don't, with good turnout comes knees going to the opposite sides. So we want to pull everything up. When we do 2 trebles up, we want to make sure that knee isn't going out. We want to tuck that one behind the other. Same thing with butt kicks. We want to go opposite side. Over here, not over there. Opposite side, opposite side. All right. Let's try that all together. Ready? 2, 3, and. Good, good, good. All right, now we're gonna do our bang again. And we're gonna basically do that same combination again, just on the left foot. So, bang, and treble, up, up. But then we're gonna do a different ending. All right, so let's do all of that to that point. Here we go. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. From there. All right, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3 is all that's left. This part's a little tricky, but it's our finale. We're gonna do step, treble, hop back, step, and we're gonna put our feet, all our weight onto that right foot when we step forward, and we're gonna swing our left foot up, jump, and do a nice click down. All right. So again, with our left foot in front, step, treble, hop back, step, swing, click, down. Okay, so we're using that right foot to step forward, put all our weight onto that right foot, and use that to jump as we kick our left leg forward, jump. And then as we jump up, we're going to meet that left leg in the air and kick higher with our right leg than we do our left leg. Left leg's gonna go about low length, and then our right leg comes through, I'd say, a little bit higher, if not twice as high. Okay, hop, treble, hop back, or hop, treble, hop back, step up, click down. All right. So again, when we're doing a step out for our click down, take the time. When we're stepping out for our click down, step, treble, hop back, step. We want to swing our left leg forward and use that energy almost like Thor's hammer. Swing, 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 throw. Swing up, click down. Okay. All right. Let's take it from the top. Nice and slow. Stumble through it. Here we go. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Bang, step, treble, and treble, hop. Hop, treble, and treble, hop. Bang, and treble, up. And treble, hop back, step. Swing, kick. Kick as high as you can. Big finale. So you want to go as big as you can. All right. And if you need any help with heel clicks, I have extensive videos on that. Just look up heel clicks, and you're bound to find something with me all over it talking about how to hit your heels. But essentially, turned out feet, crossed over. So turned out feet, crossed over legs, pointed toes. The heels have almost what's called a collision point, where they'll run into each other just by passing next to each other. Almost like intentionally tripping yourself, but instead you're colliding those heels together to add that extra sound there. It's our first heel click of this series, and I love heel clicks, so I'm happy to have that as the finale trick. All right, take that again one more time. Without music. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Let's give this step a run to music. So it's a little bit faster, so I'd highly recommend not practicing it to it yet until you have a full control with the double trebles and the click downs. But also, when you first get into the music, if you can play it back at half speed or 3/4 speed, that'll also help a good bit. So it is kind of fast. Let's give it a shot. We're going to be dancing to the same tune we've been practicing to, the Golden Stud Set. Here we go. And 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Okay. So other drills and notes about technique and whatnot, you want those legs to be nice and locked and pointed. You don't want them flexed, you want them nice and pointed. That helps with the heel clicks as well, staying consistent with those. And when you finish, you want to make sure you have your nice third position control and all of that afterwards. You don't want to kick and then kind of lose all that, because that is your final finish. That's your victory pose. So you want to have that nice control. But yeah, very good, very good. Give it a nice go. We will have a video where we combine all 4 steps coming soon. If you enjoyed this content and you learned something, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'll be posting more videos like this in the future. Nice little tutorials. Let me know what you'd like to learn next. Hit the little bell so you know exactly when that next video comes out. And yeah, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.